Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable motion array overlays inside Premiere Pro projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable motion array overlays inside Premiere Pro projects, start by opening your Adobe Premiere Pro application. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to use the overlays. Next, navigate to the motion array website and log into your account. Once logged in, browse or search for the overlay you wish to use. After finding the desired overlay, click the download button to save the file to your computer. Locate the downloaded zip file in your downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All to unzip the contents. Open your Premiere Pro project and go to the Essential Graphics panel. If the panel is not visible, access it by clicking on Window in the top menu, then selecting Essential Graphics. In the Essential Graphics panel, click on the Browse tab. Now, look for the unzipped overlay files on your computer. Drag and drop the desired overlay file into your project panel. Once it's in your project panel, you can drag the overlay onto your timeline. Make sure the overlay is positioned above the video layer you wish to enhance. Adjust the duration of the overlay to match your footage or clip length. Select the overlay in the timeline, then go to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you can modify the properties of the overlay, such as scale and position, to fit your project needs. If the overlay has transparency, check to ensure that the blending mode is set correctly. Preview your sequence to see how the overlay works with your footage. Make further adjustments as needed until you achieve the desired look. Finally, export your project to finalize the edits with the motion array overlays applied. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.